Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and you're watching So Beauty Stuff. So today, if you hadn't guessed, I'm going to be showing you how I got this eye look. I got this look using the Urban Decay KRISTEN LEANNE Kaleidoscope Dreams palette. This has got a really gorgeous packaging. I really like this cool sort of like mixed purpley pink colours in there. Gives a really good indication of the colours you're going to get inside. They're not your standard kind of boring plain colours by any means. Oh, I sort of knew that was going to happen. So here's the palette, and as you can tell straight off the bat, the pans do not sit in here in the standard way. They're kind of a bit disorganized, odd shapes. It just tells you this palette is not your everyday standalone neutral palette. I've got lots of Urban Decay shadows and these definitely have awesome color payoff. They're easy to apply. You get a little bit of fallout like you do with most shadows, but I really like them. I think it feels nice quality, and from applying them today, they seem really good quality. The two highlight colors, Leo and Brixton, I've worn quite a bit, just added them on inner corners or to add to another look, and I love those. They last amazingly. I think they're some of my most favorite colors in the palette. They're just these gorgeous duochromes. You've got the double-ended brush, which says Urban Decay Stay Gold on it, and it's this gorgeous pink color. Also from the set that I've used today is the Beauty Beam highlight palette. You've got these three colors. They're really bold highlighters, so if you like that, then you're gonna love these. Also really nice. I love the size of these. They're perfect for traveling as well, both of those palettes. And what you may also see featured, which is not really what this video is about, but I thought they actually really went with the aesthetic of these palettes, is some My Kit Co brushes. These are the Electro set. They come in this really cute bag, and you get these kind of face and eye brushes, and the reason I just love them so much is the cool handle and ferrule, very unusual. I just thought it was worth mentioning. All of these were birthday presents because it was my 30th birthday recently. That's why I've kind of been a little less frequent on my channel. I've just been taking some time out and not stressing too much about getting videos and blog posts done. The highlighter's been wearing quite a bit as well. So I'm just going to show you how I got this look. I'm not really going to be doing any talking or anything like that. It's just a watch along, follow along. I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my video. You can like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And why would you want to? Hopefully I will see you next time. Bye!